everything together so that they can teach you the best lesson possible, right? So now it's my turn to model to you guys. So one thing I want to tell you, when I'm teaching, I like for you, one, to listen carefully. Two, if you have something to say, you can just speak it out, okay? You don't have to raise your hand. If I ask a question and you have a response, I want you just to say it, okay? We're going to be respectful of each other, but you can just say it, okay? And the last thing, I love for you guys to work together. I don't want you just to sit very quietly, right? Because if you're sitting quietly, do I know what you're thinking?
Nope.
No. So even if you don't have the best answer or the right answer, I still want you to talk to me. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. So today I'm going to state my objective. Today we're going to work on 1- and 2-step word problems involving addition and subtraction. Okay? Using your fist, 0, 3, and 5. How many of you feel comfortable with doing word problems? 0 meaning, no, I don't understand, Ms. Jones. I don't like it. I hate it. 3, I'm almost there, Ms. Jones. I'm getting it. I just need extra practice. 5, I got it, Ms. Jones. I can go teach my friends how to do word problems. I'm confident. I know how to do it. Tell me how you feel about word problems. 0, 3, or 5. Put your fingers up so I can see. Okay. I see a lot of 3s, which is good, and I see a lot of 5s. So you're telling me, you can put your hands down, you're telling me that you understand word problems. You just need a little extra practice. Is that true? Do you agree? Yes? Well, today I'm going to work with you on figuring out what a problem is saying and what I need to do. Okay? So our first word problem is here. Can you read along with me?
Miss Bruce's class read 976 pages in March. In January, they read 685 pages. In February, they read 3 pages fewer than in January. How many fewer pages did they read in February than in March?
Oh my goodness. That's a lot, right? That's a lot of information. Do you agree? Okay, let's look at it. What is some important information that we know?
3.
Talk. Remember we talked. You can put your hands down. Talk to me.
How many fewer?
How many fewer?
9.
Okay.
685.
So you think this is an important number to know?
Yes.
Okay.
600 also the day that they read it.
685 is important.
3 pages. March.
3 pages.
Hold on. She said something very, Lauren? Okay. She said 3 pages fewer. Anything else?
January.
You think it's important for us to know January?
Yes.
Okay.
March.
And March
February.
and February. Is
January.
there anything else we need to know?
January.
How many?
How many?
Yeah, how many?
Okay. Is that the question?
Yeah. No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So you agree that we need to know 976, 685, 3 fewer pages, and how many fewer pages? That's information that's already there. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Okay. So now it's time for us to use my version of kind of like a problem solving. Okay? And this is going to help us solve our problem. I'm going to minimize.
If you
Turn
want,
it
you
off.
can turn it off.
Thank you. Okay, let's look at my first box. Somebody read this for me.
What is the question?
Okay. To your partners, find the question. What do you think they want to know? Talk to your
How
partners.
many fewer pages did they read in February than in March?
Yes.
Other times the actions are 9.
Coming back together in 3, 2, 1. What is is the question? What are they asking me? Talk to me.
How many pages did they read in February and that in March? How many fewer pages did
Keep reading for me. Did what?
They read in February and March.
January. February.
That's what they want to know, right?
Yes.
So we have all of this information, but this is what they want to know. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Now, we need to think.
Is
Is it a 1 or 2 step? I don't know. Talk. Why do you think it's 2 steps? And if you think it's 3, hold on. If you think it's 2 steps, why is it a 2-step problem?
Why?
You need to be able to justify to me. Why do you think it's a 2-step? Come back together in 3, 2, and 1. Now, do you think it's a 1 or 2-step? Tell me. 2-step. Anybody think it's a 1-step problem? No. Oh, we're off to a good start. Now, somebody justify. Why is it a 2-step problem? Why?
It's a 2-step problem because it's saying that it's 2 numbers, and even it's asking how many fewer pages do they want to know they read in February than in March.
So tell me this. When you say the word fewer, because y'all tell me this right here and right here, what does fewer mean?
Subtracting.
You think it means subtract or less than? So if I was to say, because Ms. Jones likes visuals, okay? This is Fernando. Ms. Jones has 4 markers and Fernando has how many? 2. Fernando has blank fewer than Ms. Jones. How many fewer? 2. So that means less than? Okay, I'm just making sure we're on the same page. Hold on. You're on the road, but hold on. So, you think that we're working with these 2 numbers and then we have to do something that's fewer?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think, sweetie?
I think we're subtracting because the teacher said the teacher is missing, and subtracting says fewer.
Oh, so you're using keywords. Okay. Anybody else want to justify?
We're gonna add the number of pages of the read, and then when we got the fewer, we're gonna take away the 3 pages.
Oh, okay. So let's work on this one. So what do you think the first step, what do you think we're going to do? Add what? Why?
Because it's they're the first numbers that they read, and the number of pages they read.
Oh, but look, let's get back to the question. What does it say?
How
many fewer pages did they read in February than in March? What's my total for March?
976.
Okay. What about February?
695.
Is that what it says? Somebody read it for me.
In January, they read 685 pages.
Do you still agree that in February they read 685 pages?
No, they read 3 pages.
They read 3 pages in February.
Fewer.
Let's read the next sentence.
In February, they read 3 pages fewer than in January.
What does that mean? Talk to each other.
What does that
What does that mean? something.
So if we say the whole book, they will read 3 pages, then they will a book that has
Vamos a buscar. Ay, yo pienso que vamos a buscar. 976 y 3 páginas más. Sí, que ahí vamos a buscar.
Okay, let's come back together. So we just talked about it. We read our question, and it said how many pages did they read in February than in March? And you told me in March it was 976, right? Do we know how many they read in February?
No.
Okay. Can we figure out how many pages they read in February?
Yes.
How? What do we know? Huh?
I think that you have to first add all the numbers and then subtract numbers, or you just have to literally subtract.
Anybody else have an idea? Let's look at this. In February, they read 3 pages fewer than in January. How many pages did they read in January?
685.
In February, they read 3 pages fewer than in January. What am I going to do with this number? Subtract what?
3.
3. In February, they read 3 pages fewer than in January. Is that how many pages they read in February?
Yes.
Yes. So now, what am I going to do with these two numbers?
Add them?
Huh? You think I'm going to add them?
Yes.
Let's try it. Six plus 2 is
8.
7 plus 8 is
15.
15. Do I put a 1 right here?
No.
Okay. Regrouping, I'm carrying.
10.
9 plus 6 is?
16.
Do you agree?
No.
What's 9 plus 6?
It's 16.
Is what? 15 plus?
1 is 16.
So, how many pages did they read in March and in February?
1,658.
Can we stop there? No? Because what is the question asking us?
How many fewer pages did they read than March?
So, we need to move on, right? So, how many did they read in March?
976.
How many did they read in February?
685.
How much? 82. So, did we need to add these together? No. What did it ask? How many
Fewer
pages did they read in February than in March? So now we need to
Subtract.
Subtract. 976 minus 682. 6 minus 2 is 7 minus 8. I have 7. Can I take 8 away?
No.
I see some people
You
not
have
paying
to
attention.
regroup.
I have to do what?
Regroup.
Regroup or borrow
Borrow something
Right?
from the neighbor.
borrow from the neighbor. So this is going to become an 8,
17.
a 17 because I'm in the tens place value. Okay? So now that's 17 and I borrowed from this group here.